Yeah, camping, and I'm making the apple pie baked beans. Nothing better to do on a rainy day. It's raining out here, so I'm gonna get this going. And here is the apple pie filling. I got this at Kroger's.
Onions, red bell peppers, and breakfast sausage.
Man, this smells amazing. So we got the sausage, red bell peppers, and onions. That's all cooked. We're putting that in there. Let me see. We gotta put some mustard. All right, we got brown sugar in. We're gonna put some Sweet Baby Ray's in there. A little more. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. And we're going to put